In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for manufacturing. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to your Monday.com account. Simply navigate to the Monday.com website and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard, which is your hub for managing projects and workflows. Next, we need to access the sidebar, which is located on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the plus or plus icon and give it a click. This will open up a menu where you can find various options to enhance your project management experience. Now, from this menu, choose Template Center. This is a crucial step because the Template Center is where you can find a library full of project frameworks designed to suit different needs, including manufacturing. Once you're in the Template Center, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in Single Project into this search bar. The Single Project template is particularly effective for managing tasks and workflows, specifically within a manufacturing context, making it perfect for your needs. After you search for the template, click on it to open and review its details. Here you can see how the template is structured and how its features can benefit your manufacturing management. Make sure to take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. This will help you understand how best to use it for your production processes. If you're happy with what you see, it's time to install the template. Simply click the Use Template button. This action will integrate the board into your personal workspace, ready for you to customize. Once you've clicked to use the template, there will be a brief loading period. Patience is key here. Allow a moment for the platform to populate your new project board with all the necessary components. This loading period ensures everything is set up correctly for you. Now, once the loading is complete, you'll have a fully prepared project board that is organized specifically for managing manufacturing tasks. This board will serve as your command center for monitoring your production workflow. At this point, you can start customizing the board to reflect your specific production steps and resource management needs. This might include adding sections for different production stages, assigning team members to tasks, setting deadlines, or even attaching relevant documents. The beauty of Monday.com is in its flexibility, so feel free to adjust and tailor the board until it fits perfectly with your workflow. And there you have it. Using Monday.com for manufacturing can significantly streamline your operations, making it easier to track and manage tasks. Remember to keep exploring all the features that Monday.com has to offer, as they can further assist you in optimizing your manufacturing processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Monday.com for your manufacturing.